everybody, today we are going to talk about 3 tips to create clients online. My name is Anna Rosenberg and I help independent service professionals, coaches, trainers, consultants 10x their businesses fast. So, the skill of creating clients is the most valuable ability you can have in your business. Period. I'm that certain about this. And nobody doubts that mastering the online part of this is key. Not for the future, but for today. But, and there is a big but here, it can create a high level of complexity, confusion, and overwhelm. Everybody has something to say, and most people who speak don't do what they teach. I've been creating high value clients online since 2007 that I married my dear German engineer husband and I moved to the middle of the Alps, not speaking much German. I always joke that there are more cows than people here, and there are. That's why it's a funny joke for people who know the place. So, it was not that there were a lot of networking opportunities and live stuff to do, right? So, these are 3 keys I've learned that might help you set your priorities of investment of time and energy online. 1. We are invisible by default. Visibility and invisibility are a matter of positioning. With so much noise, our brains by default ignore almost everything and everybody. With over 7 million people on this planet, our brains are set by default to ignore new humans. Oh, it's another human, it's another one. The tragically funny part is that the people who are looking for you today might not see you because of this default setting. So, positioning yourself, your brand, and your good work to be seen, valued, and chosen by the very people you can uniquely help is key. Positioning is not about bragging or self-proclamations of awesomeness. Look at me, I'm the number 1 Uber mega intergalactic expert. It's none of that. The right positioning for people like us that have businesses based on our knowledge, information, and expertise is to show up as a valuable, credible, relevant resource. I'm going to show you how to do that. Stay tuned. Number 2, the online sequence is key. Have you ever experienced what I call the online carousel? Do you know that feeling of doing and doing but not getting anywhere? Well, I call that the online carousel. And round it goes, and now we learn the Facebook ads, and now we learn the Facebook group, and now we learn the Instagram, and now we learn the and round, but it doesn't take us really anywhere. One of the biggest things for forward momentum is to do the right things in the right sequence. Growing your email community is awesome, but this is the danger of starting there. They tell you to grow your list and figure out what you'll sell later, right? To be fair, mostly marketers who sell list building courses do that, but still, it is kind of the thing you hear a lot. Yeah, grow your list, we will figure out later what we sell. This is the big problem with this. By the time you figure out what to sell, the people on your email list have already chosen somebody else. Tip number 3. We are not selling a cute pair of shoes. This is what I mean by this. E-commerce strategies for physical products don't translate well to sell our knowledge and expertise online. Our knowledge, information, and expertise is not like a cute pair of shoes. Let me give you one common example that I see every day. A lot of experts try to sell their services by putting a buy button on their website. Have you ever seen coaches, for example, selling their coaching by packaging it in 2 sessions, 3 sessions, or 4 sessions a month and a buy button to book? There are several problems with this, but the biggest one is that the coaches of our example are turning their services into a commodity when they do that. And most sadly, they are robbing their potential clients of the opportunity of seeing the value of working with them. I'm going to teach you what works. Stay tuned. Next step, and this is where I can give you more awesomeness. Come learn the whole system to create high value clients online for your business with real life examples. I'm going to walk you through the system I use and I've been using for years from the middle of the countryside, as I told you, and I will teach you how to position yourself right, the right online sequence, and the best way to sell services and products based on knowledge, information, and expertise. You can save your spot here, annarosenberg.com/training. Till next time, remember, your awesomeness is portable. You can take it with you anywhere.